Here's how to fix TikTok videos not uploading. First of all, if you're still posting, you can go to drafts and then try posting again. If not, you can go to your profile, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, tap on settings and privacy, then scroll all the way down and tap on free up space, that is in the section of cache and mobile. Here, go ahead and clear the cache and then try uploading again. If it still does not work, close the app completely from your device, then reopen TikTok and then try uploading again. If the problem persists, you can uninstall and reinstall TikTok application. Note that this will delete your drafts, so save them first if you want to keep them. And on Android, you can tap and hold onto the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll all the way down. Then go to storage and click on clear cache again. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app which is necessary. And then you can uninstall and then reinstall it on your device if nothing works. And after reinstalling, open TikTok and try posting your video again. If you saved it as a draft, find it there and try uploading. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.